Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So, different type of video, all about different projects, different NFT projects, and it's all to do with the CNFT space. If you don't know what CNFTs are, they are Cardano NFTs, which you can buy just like Ethereum NFTs, but on the Cardano blockchain. And there's a few projects that I'm bullish on. The things they are doing, I just want to tell you guys because it is very exciting. You know, there's things where you can earn passive income from some of them. There's metaverses coming, there's play to earn games coming. Cardano blockchain is about to blow up. Now that things are being developed and things are coming out on Cardano, the network is growing. The people are starting to invest. NFTs on Cardano are blowing up quickly, and I think 2022 is going to be the year where Cardano NFTs absolutely skyrocket. All like just crazy, like thousands of dollars worth. I'm going to be talking about 3 projects that I think are going to be doing absolutely amazing this year. I don't want you guys missing out, so keep an eye on all the projects. Have a little research when I talk about them. Make sure you join their Discord, check their websites out, and do your own research. But I'm going to try help you guys check them out. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first project that I'm going to be talking about is Bosscat Rocket Club. You guys already know from my last couple of videos, I've talked about Bosscat Rocket Club before, but there's been some updates, some development. The team is just doing crazy things. They've done things people didn't even expect them to be bringing out. They're doing it, they're planning it, it's already in works. They've got investors getting into it. The floor price has risen. Like if you go check out my last video, if you want to click up here, you can do. The floor price was around 2,000. Now it's like around 3,000. It was it was in the 3,000s a couple of days ago. Now it's dropped down a little bit as it does once you have a big pump. But Bosscat Rocket Club are doing absolutely insane things. Like they've got a metaverse coming out. It's going to be in the style of Vox Edit, which if you don't know what Vox Edit is, it's the similar style to the Sandbox game, if you guys know what that is. But Boss Planet, which is going to be their own metaverse, like you can develop your own property, you can have private residence, stores, games, contests. You're going to be able to, make play to earn from it. Basically, if people come onto your land and whatnot, they might be able to buy things, kind of similar to Sandbox in the sense, but you can own land, collect rents, etc., etc. I think that is huge. Like you're going to be able to buy Boss Planet land. You all know how Sandbox Land went, how Pavia is going right now. Pavia is probably around, I think, 1,000 at a floor price or 800 right now. And it was only around 300 about 2 weeks ago. Metaverses are the future. It's coming. You want to be in them early. And here I am telling you about a project that's going to be early with a metaverse. If you want to get access to Boss Planet's like land sale, like to mint them, what the requirements are, you need to hold 2 boss cats and 1 rocket part, hold 2 rocket parts and 1 bass cat, hold 1 fully assembled rocket, and then you can also hold 6 boss cats, nothing else, just 6 boss cats. Each different requirement, you get a variety of mints, so maybe you get like 5 mints, 10 mints, all the details are in the Discord. I'll leave all the links to all their socials down below. You guys can check them out. I'm so bullish on Bosscat Rocket Club. Even the community's bullish. Like if you know Justin from crypto, from BitBoy Crypto, he accidentally sold his Bosscat 1,000 top like 1,000 rank. He sold it for under floor price around 1,400. Someone bought it up. He made a Twitter video about it.
All right, this is why I love this community, man. Look what showed up in my wallet. Boom, boom. Man, Bosscat Rocket Club community, I love you guys. I told this guy I was going to give him a shout out. Monster16 on Twitter. Man, I can't thank you enough. Huge mistake I made. I was actually putting my baby's crib together tonight, so I really wasn't thinking too clearly. And so anyway, I made a mistake. I did end up paying floor price back for the cat, but man, that's whatever, whatever. So big shout out to the Bosscat community. Big shout out to Monster16 on Twitter. I really appreciate you guys. I won't forget this. I'll keep, keep promoting Bosscat. I'm a big believer in it. I still have several cats. I got everybody in the office at BitBoy Crypto buying these things. So let's go to the moon, guys. Bosscat Rocket Club.
and the guy who bought it messaged him saying, "Look, do you want it back? I don't mind giving you it back." And he could have sold this for 16,000 ADA, which I think is about $18,000. That's the reason why I'm bullish on Bosscat Rocket Club. The fact that community members are giving back things to someone by accident when they could have sold it for $18,000 and made a massive profit, past 10x profit, is so bullish. The community is dedicated. They've got tattoos on themselves. The price is looking amazing right now. It's bullish. They've got a metaverse. They've got plans. Blue Magic, huge shout out to you, my guy. You are doing amazing things with the project, and I'm all in for it. The second CNFT project that I am hugely excited for is called OG Bears. I tweeted about this about 2 weeks ago. I've even hosted a giveaway on my Twitter. So if you guys haven't checked my Twitter, make sure you click the link down below and follow. You get all kinds of giveaways and information, and I just just talk about myself more and just talk about things. Anyway, back to OG Bears. What are they about? So OG Bears, they're going to be the first animal-based metaverse project for Cardano. They're still very early. They still have a phase 2 of their mint. They've already had some mint, but they haven't released all the minted right now. So that's coming up very, very soon, and you can get in very early. You can even get whitelisted, so you can buy OG Bears at a reduced price for mint, which is really cool, which I'm hopefully going to be able to get. So if you want to join their Discord, you can do. Again, all links down below. You have to do certain requirements to get whitelisted for that. But basically, OG Bears, they're planning on having a OG verse, which is going to be their metaverse. To me, from watching the videos, it kind of looks like GTA styled a little bit. You're going to be able to go in cars, drive around the world. You're going to be able to open shops, sell things in crypto called Salmon. They've got a crypto called Salmon. They also have different type of play to earn games where you can throw fish and the bear has to eat them, etc., etc. So hugely bullish. I love the art. It's 3D art. I like that. I think it's bullish. It's early. The floor price was only 80 Cardano the other day. Like literally 2 days ago. It's now 179. I'm super bullish on it. I'm excited for the OG verse. They say it's going to be an MMORPG. I love MMORPG games. The massive multiplayer games. You can level up, collect items in game. I'm super bullish, guys. OG Bears, go check it out. I'm so excited. Most of the Pluto Alliance family are now joining OG Bears because they see the potential in the project, and it's still so early. So guys, do not miss out on this one. My third NFT project on Cardano is called Mutant NFTs. They've got two currently. They've got Mutant Crocs, which was their first gen of Mutant NFTs, and they also have Mutant Toads, which you can see on my screen right now. We've got two projects right now. They're both doing very, very well, and let me tell you why. So both of the projects, they are planned to be able to make you passive income, basically just pay you in Cardano for holding them. I love passive income. I've been trying to turn my portfolio into more ways of making more income just by passively sitting at home and doing absolutely nothing, just generating income. So as soon as I heard about this, I jumped on and bought myself a Mutant Croc and a Mutant Toad. So Mutant Croc can give you 60% of all the sales from the marketplace, and 40% if you own a Toad. So you both, different utilities. One's getting more revenue and the other one isn't. But I believe Toads is getting something additional, obviously, to make them seem more valuable. And the same with Crocs. They've got their own different type of uniqueness to them. They are also making their own smart contract marketplace. So right now I'm on jpeg.store. Who knows, in the next couple of months I might be on their own platform called ebotch.art. They want to make their own place. They want to try and be the next smart chain platform for CNFTs. I'm super bullish on it. It already looks super cool. It looks very clean, and it looks like something I'd want to click on and trust. And I think that's super important, being able to trust a project based on its looks, and it already does look very trustworthy in my opinion. That might sound stupid, but a lot of you probably agree with me here. There's a lot of projects you can look at and be like, I'm not touching that. It looks a bit dodgy to me. This looks really cool. I really like it. What else are they doing? They're going to be also launching their own launch pad to help people launch their own projects with small fees. I think that's really cool, helping people grow their own projects. Obviously, they're paying to help, but I think it's really cool that they're actually adding that to their platform and their project. So that's why I'm bullish on Mutant NFTs. I love passive income. I'm super bullish on passive income. I will always recommend people trying to invest into making passive income. I'm going to make a whole video on it because I keep talking about it right now. So yeah, guys, that is Mutant NFTs. I love both the art on them. You see the crocs here, I think they look so cool, and the same with the toads, I think they look very good as well. So guys, that's my 3 CNFT projects that I'm super bullish on. I am invested in all 3, just so you guys know. But guys, I'll leave all the socials down below. Go check out their websites, Twitters, all that stuff. And if you do think about buying one, I do recommend it. I think it's super bullish, and all these projects are still super, super early. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.